Hey, it's Steve from Sparky's Garage. We're back on this BMW. We're gonna do some more upgrades to it. We're gonna start off is taking the front end off. I just received the M3 front clip. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. I believe the only thing we gotta do is pop all these moldings off, and then you can get access to the bolts, and then we can pull that front bumper off, disconnect fog lights, tidy up all that stuff, and then we'll stick on the new bumper. So let's get started. Now that we have the front bumper off, we're gonna have to go in here and remove all these clips and screws, press all these down, because we need to basically reuse this reinforcement bar here. So yeah, there's a screw there, a bunch of clips. So let me get this off real quick, and then we'll go get the new bumper. So I already kind of jumped ahead and got that reinforcement bar off, and it's on the new bumper. I just basically just pulled it off and then off the old one, and then dropped it down on this new one. And then to get those clips out, basically I took a punch, and you go right in the center of these little clips here. Let me see if I can get this in here. And then it pops out a little pin, and then you can take your finger on it and then wiggle these things off. So that's how this bar comes off. It's just held on by a bunch of clips. So let me get this all kind of clipped down real quick, and then we'll mock it up on the car. So let's mock this thing up right now and see what it looks like. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, it looks like I gotta take it off for a few seconds. Oh, much better than that. There's that one. I didn't realize it's gotta go in these little slots over here. Now, yeah, okay. Looks much better. So, take a couple of these nuts back on. Solid. Pretty sweet. What a difference this front end looks like. Went ahead and put the front lip on, and then also I just snapped on the trim. It's easy to come off again. Still waiting on some clear corner lights, but man, look at the difference this front end. Love the M3 front end. Super cool. Well, that concludes the front end on our 328 IS with the M3 front bumper. Came out awesome. I am totally happy with it. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode. See you guys later. Peace.